Gardening is a rewarding endeavor, offering a sense of accomplishment and peace. It connects us with nature and provides fresh, homegrown goodness, enriching our lives with nutritious produce. But successful gardening requires more than just planting seeds and hoping for the best. It demands understanding and nurturing the soil that sustains our plants, ensuring they have the best environment to thrive. That's where mulch comes in, playing a crucial role in garden health. Mulch acts as a protective blanket for your garden beds, shielding them from harsh weather and retaining moisture. It's like giving your soil a warm hug, providing comfort and care. Not only does it instantly enhance the look of your garden, but it also offers a myriad of benefits that contribute to healthier plants and reduced maintenance, such as weed suppression and temperature regulation. Think of mulch as a secret weapon for any gardener, a tool that can transform your gardening experience. It's a simple addition that yields impressive results, making your gardening efforts more fruitful. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, incorporating mulch can significantly elevate your gardening game, making it easier and more enjoyable. So let's delve deeper into the world of mulch and uncover the magic it holds for your garden, exploring its various types and applications. Get ready to be amazed by its simplicity and effectiveness, and see how it can transform your garden into a thriving oasis. Stepping into the world of mulch can feel like entering a gardener's candy store. The choices are vast, and each type offers its own set of advantages, making it an exciting journey for any gardening enthusiast. There is a wide variety of mulches, each with unique characteristics and benefits. From organic to inorganic, the options are plentiful and cater to different gardening needs. Let's explore some popular options and understand what makes each one special. First, straw. Golden straw is a classic choice, especially for vegetable gardens. It's lightweight, inexpensive, and decomposes quickly, adding nutrients back to the soil. Straw mulch also helps in preventing soil erosion and keeps the soil temperature stable. Next, wood chips. These come from chipped branches and are perfect for perennial beds and pathways. They decompose slowly, providing long-lasting protection. Wood chips are excellent for weed suppression and help in retaining soil moisture, making them a practical choice for many gardeners. Choose from natural wood tones or opt for dyed varieties for a pop of color. Dyed wood chips can add a decorative touch to your garden, enhancing its visual appeal. Then we have compost. This black gold of the gardening world is nutrient-rich, decomposed organic matter. It enriches the soil while retaining moisture and suppressing weeds. Compost is incredibly versatile and can be used in almost any type of garden, providing a natural boost to plant growth. Lastly, cocoa bean hulls. These aromatic hulls release a delightful chocolatey scent as they decompose. They are best suited for ornamental gardens and work well to deter slugs and snails. Cocoa bean hulls also add a unique aesthetic to your garden with their rich, dark color. Remember, choosing the right mulch depends on your specific needs and aesthetic preferences. Experiment with different types to find what works best for your garden. Whether you are looking to improve soil health, retain moisture, or simply add a decorative touch, there is a mulch out there that will meet your needs perfectly. Now that you know about the different types of mulch, let's uncover the incredible benefits they offer. Mulch is more than just a decorative element. It plays a vital role in the health and productivity of your garden. First, moisture conservation. Mulch acts as a barrier, reducing evaporation and helping the soil retain moisture. This is especially crucial during hot summer months, saving you time and water. By keeping the soil moist, mulch ensures that your plants have a consistent water supply, which is essential for their growth and vitality. Second, weed suppression. A thick layer of mulch prevents weed seeds from germinating. This means less time weeding and more time enjoying your beautiful garden. Weeds compete with your plants for nutrients, water, and sunlight, so keeping them at bay is crucial for a thriving garden. Third, soil health improvement. As organic mulches decompose, they add valuable nutrients to the soil, improving its structure and fertility. This creates a healthy environment for your plants to thrive. The decomposition process also encourages beneficial microorganisms and earthworms, which further enhance soil health. Lastly, temperature regulation mulch insulates the soil, protecting plant roots from extreme temperature fluctuations. This is particularly beneficial during harsh winters and scorching summers. By maintaining a stable soil temperature, mulch helps prevent stress on your plants, allowing them to grow more robustly. By providing these benefits, mulch creates an ideal environment for your plants to flourish. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure a healthy and productive garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, incorporating mulch into your gardening routine can make a significant difference in the overall health and beauty of your garden.